Instagram has evolved tremendously since first launching and now offers users the ability to share photos and videos in many different ways. With all of the different feature releases, Instagram stories still continue to dominate and develop with the addition of filters, stickers, highlights, and much more. Using stories properly will allow you to stay engaged with your followers and keep viewers up to date with your brand. Hey, this is Nick from Snappa, and in today's design tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create an Instagram story by repurposing some free custom templates that will be suitable for your brand. So let's get right into it. What you'll want to do first is make sure that you have the best Instagram story size so that your image is optimized for Instagram's guidelines. The recommended Instagram story size is 1080 pixels by 1920 pixels. This is an aspect ratio of 9 by 16. To meet Instagram's guidelines, your image file formats should be either PNG or JPEG, and your Instagram story image needs to be under 30 megabytes in size. Additionally, you'll need to understand the different safe zones that are in place so that your story displays properly for all viewers. You'll need to be aware of the profile safe zone along with the swipe and reply safe zone. To make things easier, I'm going to be using Snappa to create an Instagram story photo. Once I'm in, I'm going to navigate down to social media posts and click on Instagram story. From here, I have the ability to create an Instagram story from scratch, or I can choose from a variety of different pre-designed Instagram story templates that Snappa offers. Once you found a template that you like, you can click on it to get started. Once you have your canvas open, you'll notice that the safe zones are already in place. To toggle this safe zone on or off, navigate to the top and click on the Instagram icon. So I'm going to be repurposing this Instagram template to promote my YouTube video to my followers. So to get started, I'm going to edit the text to the text of my liking. So I'll double click on it. I'll type in what I want. I'm also going to change the call to action. So instead of sign up today, I'm going to click and type in link in bio. The next thing I'm going to do is actually replace this 2.0 with an icon. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click delete layer. I'm then going to navigate to the graphics tab. I'm going to select the icons library and I'm going to search for the graphic that I want. Once I found a graphic that I like, I'm going to click on it. As it appears in the center of the canvas, I'm going to click on it again, resize it, and then drag it and reposition it to where I want it to be. Once I'm happy with my graphic, I'm just going to change the colors so that it stands out a bit more. So I'll click on the icon again. I'm going to navigate to the color picker on the left here. I'm going to change this from black to white. I'm then going to click on the circle background in the back. I'm going to change this color fill from an off-white to a red to fit YouTube's colors. So the next thing I want to do is replace this photo to something a bit more relevant to what I want to promote. So I'm going to click on the photo. I'm going to press delete layer once again. Now I'm going to navigate to my backgrounds tab. I'm going to navigate to my photos library. I'm going to search for design. Once I scroll down and find an image that I like, I'm going to click on it. You'll notice that it appears in the background of the Instagram story. To reposition it, I can click on reposition on the left side here. I can either scale in or scale out. And I can also drag it to reposition it to where I want it to be. Once I'm happy with the positioning of the photo, I'm going to click apply. Now that I'm done with my background photo, the last thing I want to do is showcase a bit of the top of the background photo. So I'm going to click on this black rectangular square here. I'm going to drag the top down so that we can still see a bit more of the background at the top without interfering with the profile safe zone. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to preview the Instagram story by toggling the safe zone. And now I'm going to rename it, save the Instagram story to Snappa for future modifications. And I'm going to download the Instagram story photo as a Retina JPEG for the best possible quality. So for the last example, I'm going to show you how to upload your own photo into Snappa, as well as resize it so that it fits Instagram's story dimensions. Here's what happens when you upload an image with the wrong dimensions into Instagram. Your photo is either cropped in, which causes a loss in quality, or your photo displays with blank bars at the top and bottom of the screen. So this is the photo that I'm trying to upload to my IG story, but you'll notice that the image is way too wide and not long enough for IG's dimensions. So I'm going to upload this photo in and then resize it within Snappa. So to upload the photo, I'm going to simply navigate to the graphics tab. From here, I'm going to navigate to the uploads tab, and then I'm going to go to the folder with the image. I'm going to click on it and drag it into the library. Once the image is done uploading, I'm going to click on it. As it appears on the canvas, I'm going to drag out the corners, and then I'm going to simply reposition it to where I want it to be. Now with my photo in place and repositioned to where I wanted it to be, I can now rename the photo. I'm going to save the photo into Snappa so that I can make changes in the future. And once again, I'm going to download the image as a Retina JPEG for the highest possible quality. Once the photo is downloaded to my computer, I can simply send it over to my phone and upload it into Instagram with the highest possible quality. So that's it for today's tutorial on Instagram stories. If you guys enjoyed the video and found value out of it, be sure to drop a like since it helps the channel a lot. Be sure to subscribe to our channel as well, since I'll be making more and more videos about Instagram. If you guys haven't already watched our video on Instagram story highlights, be sure to check that out. And until then, I'll see you guys all in the next one. Cheers.